Chapter 1 Geometrical Constructions. Today, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to draw or construct a triangle if three sides are given to us. Practice set 2. Question number 1. Draw triangles with the measures given below. A. In triangle ABC, length of AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Length of BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter and length of AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Some measures are given in the question. First, draw rough figure. Show the given information in it as accurately as possible. Here, side AB is 5.5 centimeter and it is the longest. So, in the rough figure, also AB should be the longest side. Draw line AB and write measure 5.5 centimeter. Side AC is 3.5 centimeter. So, draw line AC and write measure 3.5 centimeter. Then, draw line BC and write measure 4.2 centimeter. Rough figure is ready. Now, according to the rough figure, draw segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter as the base. As length of AC is 3.5 centimeter, take measurement 3.5 centimeter in compass. Place the metal pointer of the compass on the point A and draw an arc on one side of segment AB. Now, the length of BC is given 4.2 centimeter. So, take measurement 4.2 centimeter in compass. Place the metal pointer of the compass on point B and draw an arc to cut previous arc. Both arcs are intersecting. Give name to the intersection point as C. Now draw segment AC by joining two points A and C. Now draw segment BC by joining two points B and C. In this way, triangle ABC with given measurement is ready. Question number 2. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 cm and other sides 3.5 cm each. An isosceles triangle means triangle having two sides equal. In this question, it is given that the base is 5 cm and other two sides are 3.5 cm each. So, now first draw rough figure. Show the given information in it as accurately as possible. Here, the base is given 5 cm. So, draw a baseline LM and write measurement 5 cm. Then, draw other two sides NL and NM and write measurements 3.5 cm. According to the rough figure, first draw baseline that is 5 cm. Write down the name LM and measure 5 cm. Now use compass to draw other two sides. Length LN and LM is 3.5 cm. Therefore, take measurement 3.5 cm in compass and keep metal pointer of compass on point L and draw an arc. Then keep same distance in compass, that is 3.5 cm. Here in compass we are keeping same distance, that is 3.5 cm, because the given triangle is isosceles. And place the compass pointer on point M and draw an arc to cut the previous arc. Both arcs are intersecting. Give the name to intersection point as N. Now draw segment LN by joining two points L and N and draw segment NM by joining two points N and M. In this way, isosceles triangle LMN with given measurements is ready. Thank you.